With inflation on the rise, many retirees are finding it harder to make their savings last through their golden years. But what if there was a way to shield your retirement from the worst of it? Today, I'm going to show you how gold and silver can be your armor against inflation and why they've been trusted by investors for centuries. The truth is, inflation chips away at your purchasing power, eroding the value of your cash savings over time. The dollar may seem strong today, but history has shown that inflation can cause even the mightiest currencies to lose their value. This is a harsh reality that many retirees face when they rely solely on traditional savings or stocks. If you're sitting on a 401k or an IRA, your investments could be vulnerable, and it might not take much for inflation to cut deep into your retirement funds. Now, you might be wondering, why gold and silver? Well, both precious metals have a long history of maintaining their value even during times of economic uncertainty. Unlike the dollar, which is subject to the whims of government policy and economic shifts, gold and silver have been consistently reliable. In fact, during major financial crises, gold and silver have often increased in value, providing a safe haven for investors. But here's where it gets interesting. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, you need to take action now. Gold IRAs are an excellent way to incorporate gold and silver into your retirement strategy, allowing you to directly invest in physical gold and silver without worrying about managing them yourself. These IRAs are also tax advantaged, meaning you can grow your wealth without the tax burden that other investments bring. And here's the best part. If you're unsure where to start, I've got a free guide in the description that thousands of Americans have already used to open their own gold IRAs and protect their wealth. It's worth checking out, especially if you have 100K or more in your IRA or 401k. Gold IRAs offer a unique advantage over traditional assets like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Unlike these assets, which can be volatile and often follow market trends, gold and silver act independently of stock market fluctuations. So, while stock markets may go up and down, gold and silver hold steady. This can be incredibly valuable, especially when you're planning for retirement and need your money to remain as stable as possible. Of course, there are other options to protect your wealth, but none are as reliable as a gold IRA. You might have heard about real estate or even treasury bonds as potential ways to hedge against inflation, but these options come with their own set of challenges. Real estate can be expensive to maintain, and it's illiquid, meaning it's not easy to quickly sell if you need the funds. Treasury bonds can offer some protection, but they're often too tied to interest rates, which can fluctuate with inflation. This is why gold and silver, especially in the form of a gold IRA, are so attractive. They are physical assets, easy to store, and they provide stability in uncertain times. And let's not forget, if you're someone who's built a nest egg of $5 million or more, you need a strategy that not only protects your wealth, but also helps it grow, even in the face of inflation. To get started with a gold IRA, simply click the first link in the description to get your free guide. This guide will show you how thousands of retirees are using gold IRAs to protect their wealth against inflation, ensuring their future remains secure. As we wrap up, if you've got 100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even 5 plus in savings, this strategy is perfect for you. It's not too late to take control of your retirement and make sure your wealth is shielded from inflation's worst effects. Click that link, grab your free guide, and take the first step towards securing your future with gold and silver. Don't wait. Make your retirement as safe and secure as it deserves to be.